This is a 2018 Cardinal 3920, 41 foot, fifth wheel. Fantastic living area with 5 slides, island kitchen, theater style seating with heat and massage, 2 leather sofa sleepers, queen size bed suite with excellent storage, washer and dryer prep, 12,000 watt inverter, 5-year service contract, and much more. Large HD TV over fireplace. I love this model. I love the room upstairs. It's great. This is like brand new. It has a pantry, microwave, stainless steel refrigerator, nice sized bathroom, shower, queen size walk around bed, another HD TV, you have your washer and dryer prep, very nice fifth wheel. For more information, just simply call 1-360-314-6141. And again, welcome to Annie's RV.